So, hello everyone. My name is Uday, and I am behalf of HDFC Credila. So, I'll just introduce HDFC Credila is one of the leading institutes in education loan, and we are providing 100% education finance for student education loan, and we are into this education loan industry since 2006, and till the time we have funded mostly for the more than you can say 34 countries we have funded for, and almost every year we are funding almost 2000 of students. So HDFC Credit is all about means education loan, and specialty for means funding in higher studies education loan. Uh, HDFC Credit is here to complete your dream, to complete your higher education dream, and we can convert your I can into I will. So agenda for the meeting is about HDFC Credila, understanding education loan product, income tax benefits under Section 80E, solvency certificate and sanction letter, what is eligibility criteria, documentation required for the education loan process, HDFC Credila advantages, and Credila one-stop service. So what kind of additional services we are offering. So this is the agenda about today's meeting. So about us, and HDFC Limited Company is India's first education loan provider. So yes, obviously we are specialized into education loan and disburse over 6,000 loans so far. Collaboration with world topmost schools and universities like Harvard, Cornell University, University of Chicago, New York University. So these are the few universities we have funded for, and we have associated with funded higher education of students studying in almost we can say that 35 plus countries we have funded for, 2100 plus institutes we have funded for, and 1000 plus courses also we have funded for. So what are the benefits of HDFC Credila? Next important slide is, first one is that attractive tax benefit under Section 80E. So your parents will get the 100% tax rebate under Section 80E if you are availing education loan. Second benefit is, so we will go in detail about the tax benefit under Section 80E. So if you are applying for the education loan, your parents will get the income tax benefit because they are going to pay the interest for your education loan. So whatever the interest amount you are paying for the your education loan, the entire amount will be deducted from their taxable income. So this is the most important benefit under education loan and under Section 80E. No margin money. HDFC Credila don't have the margin money concept. We are funding 100% finance, and in that including your tuition fees, living expenses, other books, medical expenses, and all those. So we cover all the expenses under this education loan. Pre-approved before admission confirmation. Pre-approved loan before your admission confirmation. So we are here to help you out. Even before admission confirmation, you can check your eligibility, and you just get your pre-approved loan. So you will have an idea, or you will also have the backup option ready with you. So according to you can plan solvency certificate and sanction letter. So what is solvency certificate? So solvency certificate is like a balance statement. So few of the university might you ask for the balance availability statement. So we can call it as a solvency certificate. And sanction letter is like your pre-approved loan letter that you can show for the university to get your I-20. So many of the university need to they ask you for the financial statement and loan sanction letter. If you have the loan approved, so you don't just get the loan sanction letter. So they will proceed ahead with the I-20, and it does not require any interest, no compulsion to avail the loan. So these are the terms we can just check in solvency letter. It's all about endorsement of your net worth. Unlimited copies also you will get in that. So this is all about, we can say that solvency certificate and sanction letter. Second option is that flexible repayment option. So second advantage is flexible repayment option. So we are providing flexible repayment option in that. So in that, means as per your convenience or as per your parent convenience, you can just go through the repayment. Means during the course, you need not to pay entire interest if you don't want to take the burden of the interest payment. So you can choose option called partial interest, and after completion of your course, you will get another grace, 1 year as a grace period for the repayment. And on that basis, then after that, you can start with the EMI. So we have a very flexible repayment options available with HDFC Credila. And in the repayment also, if you want to do the part payment or foreclosure as per your convenience, you can do that. There is no means mandatory that you have to keep the loan for the tenure of 1 year or 6 months. You can make the part payment anytime as per your convenience. Whenever the parents or you will get the funds, you can just close your loan or you can do the part payment. Attractive rate of interest we are offering. So we have two types of product. One is secured loan. So and another one is unsecured loan. So the rate of interest is also vary from the type of the loan. So we are providing best rate of interest in all both category for unsecured loan as well as secured loan. Other benefit what we are offering is web enabled billing and services. We have dedicated relationship manager you will get, and service manager at your doorstep. If you are in a nearby location, like in Pune, if you are nearby the branch location, you will get our relationship manager at your home. He will do all the process and formality for your loan. Flexibility of collateral and co-borrower. So if your parents stays other location, if you're having a property collateral at different location, we can do that. There is no issue for that. And as for that, we can just collect the entire your application, and we can go ahead for the process. Apart from that, from that, we are also offering CredilaOneStop.com benefit up to 50,000 rupees. So once you apply for an education loan, you can avail this benefit at CredilaOneStop.com website. So once you go there, you can check that we have a few tie-up with the airlines. We have a tie-up with the shopping websites. We have a tie-up with other vendor also. So whatever the best you can avail the benefit up to 50,000 as a student, you can go and avail. So this is the additional benefit we are offering up to 50,000 for the student. So first important question coming to the mind is that which factor determine your loan eligibility, and this is very important parameter while you are applying for an education loan. So what are those parameters? First is student academic profile. So we check academic track record of students plays an important role determining the loan eligibility. So we check your score from 10 to till graduation. After that, if you have given GRE, TOEFL, IELTS, we check all the scores, and after that, these are do the evaluation. So this is also the important parameter. Second one is that parent profile. So what we do in parent profile, we do careful evaluation of the parents or the co-borrower profile. while sanctioning the loan. So in parent profile, if your parent getting salary, so we check what are the income, what type of income he is getting, what is the gross salary, what is the net salary. Apart from that, if your parents having business, so we used to check that the last 2 years IT return, gross income, net profit, net loss. So these are the parameter in parent profile we do evaluate. Third one is that collateral. So the collateral also, if you wanted to go ahead with the collateral loan or mortgage loan, so we check the nature and value of the collateral. What is the market value? We do consider the market value of that particular property. So what is the market value? Apart from that, what is the nature of the collateral? Like if it is a flat or bungalow property, or it is a commercial property, or any plot. So these three four types of property we do accept in education loan, or we can say that you for your secured loan. Second important question is which documents are required for loan processing. So this is very important. So we have divided into four. So first one is that KYC document. So KYC like PAN card, Aadhaar card, passport, driving license. So these are the KYC documents. Apart from that, academics document. So in academic document from 10 to till graduation, so 10, 12 graduation mark sheets, degree certificate if you have received. Apart from that, your GRE, TOEFL, IELTS scorecard. If you got the admit letter, then admit letter. So these are the all documents come under academic document. Third important documentation part is you can say that income documents. So in income documents, if your parents getting salary, then 3 months salary receipts, bank statement, form 16, 1 year form 16, 6 month bank statement, and 3 months salary receipts. If your parents having business, then 2 years IT return, business proof, we can say Shopback license, bank statement, current account, and saving account for 6 months. Apart from that, collateral documents, like if you are offering a collateral or a property to mortgage for the loan, then property documents. It's depend on the property to property. Like if you have having a flat, then sale deed agreement, then index to sanction plan, tax credit receipt. So these are the few basic documents in comes under the collateral document. So these are the documents we do check for you have to just provide while applying for the education loan process. So what are the expenses will cover in education loan? So we do means HDFC Credila funding 100% of your expenses. In that we cover tuition fees, then examination fees, accommodation expenses like your stay and all, stay and food, library, and then lab fees, traveling expenses also we cover, cost of books, equipment, and uniform. So these are the expenses. We can say that basic expenses also we do cover. So here HDFC Credila is offering 100% finance for your education. So there is no need to go for the means margin money, or your parent has to worry about the remaining amount. So we don't have that kind of concept. If you apply for education loan, say 40 lakhs, you will get the 100% of 40 lakhs. And there is no upper cap for the education loan. So fourth one is that will your education loan cover off-campus expenses too? Yes, HDFC Credila Education will offer you off-campus expenses too. There is no need to show any kind of receipt or agreement for that. How much you are spending on off-campus expenses? You just have to request us as per your requirement. So per month calculation, if you having, so according to that, we will give you the off-campus expenses in your directly in your account, so you can just pay your expenses. Fifth one is that when is the right time to apply for an education loan? So see, to be frank, if you are having a scores with you like your GRE, GMAT, IELTS, or TOEFL, so this is the right time to go with for an education loan. So the first process we do is evaluation of your profile, because many students what happen, they apply at the last moment, and then they come to know that the loan is not going to approve. Then you have to look for the other alternative option. So avoid this last minute hassle. So you have to just go ahead with what at present with the available document, and you just check your eligibility. There is no charges or any fees applicable on the eligibility check. You just check your eligibility, and you will also have an option to work upon. You will also plan your universities accordingly, your expenses university expenses accordingly, and then the entire process will be smoother. So these are the few HDFC Credila advantage we will say. So first one is that our best important point is that doorstep service. We are offering doorstep service at your place. So again, if you are at nearby branch location, you can ask our representative to visit at your place. He will come at your place. He will again explain you about the entire process. He will do the documentation for you. So this is most important service factor we are offering. Second one is that unsecured loan amount up to 40 lakhs we are offering for USA, for Germany, unsecured loan up to 20 lakhs, for Canada 20 lakhs, Ireland 20 lakhs. So these are the few countries where we are offering unsecured loan. It depends on country and cost of education. So other banks might not offer you the unsecured loan. Repayment tenure up to 10 years. So we have again increased that repayment tenure up to 14 years. So other banks might not offer you this much of facility for repayment of the loan. Less than 100% collateral. So if the property valuation, your property valuation is say for example 30 lakhs, and if you're looking for a loan amount 40 lakhs, so even the property valuation is lesser than the your loan applied amount, we will give you that amount, say 40 lakhs loan approved on the basis of 30 lakhs of your property valuation. Other banks will not give you because their criteria is to they will offer you loan up to 75 to 80% of the property valuation. No upper cap on loan amount. We are funding 100%. If you are looking, suppose few other, there are universities where the cost of education is 70 lakhs, 80 lakhs. So we will fund you that much. There is no need to worry about the funding part. Loan against other banks might not offer you because they have the limitation for the higher amount. Loan against property mortgage with HDFC Limited. If your parents having HDFC housing loan going on, so on the same property we can just merge this education loan as well, because HDFC Limited is our parents company. So this facility is not available with other banks. Loan sanction before admission also, yes, we do. There is no need to confirm require any admission confirmation. On the basis of your academics and course and parent financial, we can go ahead for the approval process, or we can say that pre-approved loan process. Other bank will not offer you pre-approved, or they will not check your eligibility unless and until you have the I-20 with you. Attractive rate of interest we are offering. Other banks might also offer you the best rate of interest. Tax benefit under Section C, 80E, as we explained in the last slide, we are offering, means you will get, your parents will get income tax benefit section under 80E, 100% they can claim for the tax benefit. And we have the quick and hassle-free process. Within 3 to 4 working days, you can check your eligibility, or you can get your loan pre-approved if your all documents are in order. So the next one is that HDFC Credila versus dollar loan companies. There are few players in the market who offers loans in dollars. So this is the just we can say that comparison between the rupees loan and dollar loan. So the first we will say the parameter is loan amount. So HDFC Credila is offering unsecured loan up to 40 lakhs, secured loan up to 2.5 crore. So dollar loan company will not offer you much low, or you can say that more loan on in unsecured criteria. They will offer you up to $25,000, 80% of the cost of attendance. Expenses covered. We do cover all expenses like tuition fees, of campus, flight cost. Only tuition fee they will cover. They will not offer you the living expenses. Processing fee, we have 1% of the sanction amount. They will charge you to 2.5% of the sanction amount. Interest calculation method is, we have a daily reducing. They are the flat rate of interest. So if you are getting rate at the rate of 7%, so it will effectively translate into 14% rate of interest over the time. And you can also compare the dollar fluctuation rate. So if you are suppose if you have taken loan in year 2021 this year, and if you are paying the loan suppose in 2024, then the dollar rate will be applicable that time. So whatever the rate. So these are the differences between rupees loan and dollar loan. Apart from that, impact of rupees depreciation, as I explained, income tax benefit your parents can avail here, but they can't available in if you are getting loan in dollar. Education loan approval before admission we do, they don't do. need loan to be re-sanctioned for the second year. There is no required. We do sanction entire loan for the at a one go. You can say they again in dollar loan company you need to again go for the second year loan. You have to apply again for that. And as we discuss about this credit amount of additional benefit we are offering up to 50,000. So we have a association with Jet Airways, you can say, then British Airways, FedEx for the courier, Apollo Pharmacy, and goibigo.com. So just you can go and visit once you apply for the education loan, you can get this benefit up to 50,000. So here are the few students testimonial we are having. So Rupal P, University of Florida, USA. So he just has explained about the what he feel about HFC Kerala and the services. Siramar, University of Missouri, USA. Here are the parent testimonial also we have. This was just for your reference. For more detail, you can just note down my contact number, Uday Nikam. Second one, email ID udayan@sdfccadilla.com, and these are the two contact numbers. So you can reach out to me. I am the concerned person for the entire your application process and evaluation process. So whatever the query also you are having after this seminar, or you can let's say our presentation, you can just call me and ask about this. Whatever the questions you are having in your mind, you can discuss it personally. If you want my person to be visit at your place, you can just give us the call. We will arrange the person to be at your place. If you are at different location, you we can just have a there's no need to come personally at our office to discuss about the things. We will discuss over the phone, and we are now we are means processing digitally, so there is no need to go personally at any branch at any location. You can just get the your things done online also. We have a best possible services for you guys. Any questions you have, any queries, you can just type or